I can't tell you the last time I've been excited for an interview as I am for this one. Aside from just generally being interested in education, I love the metaverse and the potential of it. Not 10 feet from where I'm currently talking to you right now, I actually, looking at my VR device, I do lots of things on it. I play golf on it. I have a standing golf date with a friend of mine who lives in Seattle. I've played table tennis on it. I've done some office work on it. I've done video conferences on it. I really do see it as the future of how we're going to work and play. But I'm interested in hearing your perspective on how the metaverse could be the future of how we educate. So for the uninitiated, Chris, tell us a little bit about what the metaverse is and talk a little bit about the role you see it playing in K-12 education.
Absolutely. I think you actually did a really good lead in there. The metaverse, whether we call it Ready Player One, whether we call it Second Life, whether we call it Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, NFT, it really boils down to the shift of having people interacting in real time in virtual spaces. That's probably the highest level simplified version of metaverse that I can come up with. The big difference between what we traditionally have been doing with, let's say, Zoom calls and things like that is, generally speaking, people are represented by avatars as opposed to actual video cameras or images or screenshots or things like that. Most of the effort has been put in, I always like to say, it's kind of following the dollar. So a lot of it has really gone into, as you said, the play aspect, the entertainment industry. You're going to see a lot of games. You're going to see a lot of, as I said, the Bitcoins, the NFTs. Where the money goes, that's where usually the development happens first and foremost. But as we've traditionally been seeing a shift in education towards more of a disaggregated offering, whether it be content, whether it be professors, whether it be online learning or virtual colleges or virtual schools, all of that is sort of leading us to another place, which is this can be used for training, this can be used for instruction, this can be used to get more students the information they want in a manageable way that goes beyond any specific one piece of software or one piece of hardware. But education has to be protected more than anything else. We don't want someone figuring out how to turn a science lesson into a way that I can sell 90% of the screen space for ads. That's not what we want out of our education institutions. And that's why it's really important to talk about the metaverse, but to really focus in on the eduverse. What is it we can do in the K-12 education space?